What's up guys, it's Desert Bug Out and I'm back with another video. This time it is the half scale Glock 22. This one I just got in the mail today. The guy that I bought this one from actually popped back up on eBay, so I hurried up and bought another one because just in case he disappears again, because these things aren't really that easy to find. So let's put that away and let me show you what came in the bag. So came with a little bag of rounds. Like, looks like he sent a pretty good amount of rounds. I don't know if you can see. And let's see here. It's got some instructions. It's in Chinese, but it has pictures, so it's all good. The other side, kind of cool. All right, let's see here. Let's pull this down. Let's just go ahead and dump it. Okay, looks like we have the slide. I think it's the exact same. It looks like it is. So, got the slide, got the barrel, little spring, got the mag. Got the mag. The mag has a little round in it too. Cool. And extra parts. It's always nice when you get extra parts, just in case. Especially springs, so things go flying. All right, let's see here. Let me put my extra parts away so that I don't lose them. Use my pinky nail. Okay, put these right here, and then we got the bottom half. There's the bottom half of the Glock 22. Okay, let's put it together. Pretty easy. So basically, it's the bottom of the slide, and pretty much put the barrel in there, and then this, I don't know if you can see, but it has this this end, and then it has this end. What you need to do is basically, it just needs to go in like this, where this flat end is facing down, the rounded edge is facing up, so facing the barrel. Set it just like that. Take this, and you'll see there's some grooves. I don't know if you can see those grooves or not, but there's some grooves right here, 2 grooves that slides right into there. All right, and then this little piece right here, it's connected to a spring. You just pull them down, and then you gotta pull the trigger to get it to go all the way. There you go. That's it. Let's put the mag in there. Just like that. See the round inside there? The round does not cycle. And also it does not eject. It's just kind of there for show, but it still looks pretty cool. It's a Glock 22. It has the markings. I don't know if you can see. Glock 22. It's got the Glock symbol right there. So that's the side, the top, the back, the other side, the front, the bottom. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm so happy I got a second one now. I've been wanting. I've had a total of 3, but I gave 2 of them away. So that left me with just one, and I wanted another one real bad. So I was super happy when that guy popped up. What else? Oh, the Glock comes like this. So I don't know if you can notice on the camera, but it's glossy, and in order to, I just don't think a Glock is supposed to look glossy, in my opinion. I don't know, I could be wrong, but what I usually do is I take some of this Krylon matte finish, and it's just clear, but it just makes it matte. Just spray it down with some of this, and it'll get rid of that glossy look, and it'll make it a matte, more of a matte black. Also, let me show you something else too. Okay, so another thing that I did was I took some of this glow-in-the-dark paint that I got from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something. But anyways, I took some of this, took a toothpick, dipped it in the paint, and I just dipped the end of the toothpaste with the paint onto these little, I don't know if you can tell, there's little holes, those little circles. And because of that, let me show you. Let me go ahead and charge them up. It's another dope little desert bug out hack. Look at that. Little glow in the dark sights. Dope, huh? Got it. But yeah, so another cool little hack. Just took some of this glow in the dark paint from, I think it was Michael's, but anyways, and a toothpick, and just hooked up the sights. Yep. And let's check these rounds out. So he sent me a bunch of rounds. Looks like one of them is it's weird, kind of a defect. You see it? But yeah, and just put the rounds in like this. I bet you this thing probably won't even hold all the rounds. I don't know, maybe. But being that it doesn't shell eject, I guess it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna put a couple of rounds in there. Boom. Cool little Glock 22s. These things are all metal. There's no plastic pieces on these at all. It's completely metal. And again, you know, just take some of this, spray it down, and it'll give you that matte finish. I'm almost thinking about actually just putting the matte finish on the bottom half and leaving the slide shiny. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about just only spraying the matte finish on the bottom and leaving the slide glossy. Anyway, so that's my video on the little Glock 22 with the little accessories. my two little simple little hacks. And stay tuned for more videos. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and tell your friends about my channel. I still got more to show, and you know, I just want to show my passion for these things with other people that are passionate about it, and it's kind of cool to see that there is other people that's passionate about these things. So yeah, just check it out. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.